Hey guys, Chris Akwai and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn free KittyCoin Solana token. So this is the Twitter account of the KittyCoin token, the official Twitter account. You can see they have 2,000 followers and they are following 3 people. So on this bio, you can see KittyCoin SOL is a Solana based meme coin, and it features fast and cheap transaction, a deflationary supply, and a soon to launch NFT platform and Exchange DEX, that's decentralized exchange. So right here you can see this information. One day ago, KittyCoin Solana is launching today, right here. So I'm going to be teaching you how to earn the KittyCoin token, but before I go there, let me go to the official website of the KittyCoin token. So right here you can see this is the official website on my phone, and for you to get this coin, you can see right here you can get 25,000 of this KittyCoin token by signing up. 25,000. So right here on the website you would see other details right here. So you can see other details here for your perusal. So you can always earn this particular KittyCoin token. It is officially listed on PancakeSwap, and you can also buy this KittyCoin token using cryptocurrency via Coinbase. So this is the website. Let me go to my dashboard so you can see. So I'll take you to my dashboard. So currently I have 505,000 naira. I said I'm very sorry, 505,000 Kitty coins. So you can always earn more on this particular website, on this particular token. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up and verify your email. Sign up and verify your email. I will be dropping a link to sign up in the description below. The link is an affiliate link, so whenever I sign up, they are going to be giving me 20,000 of this particular coin. 20,000 of this particular coin. So if I click on this, let me click on the sign up. I'm going to share this particular affiliate link in the description of this video. Let me open a new tab, an incognito tab. So once I open an incognito tab right here, and I enter the website right here, it's going to take you to this particular page. It's going to take you to this particular page where you can sign up. So all you need to do is just scroll down. So you scroll down and you click on sign up to get 25,000 free Kitty coins. So right here, as you can see, you have to enter your full name, type in your email address, and input your password. So let me go ahead. I type in my full name. Okay, let me use Chris Aqua, and I input my email address, then input a password. So once you do that, let me pause this video. Alright, welcome. So once you do that, once you input all the details, you need to verify. So once you verify, there's a fire hydrant, this is a fire hydrant, this is another fire hydrant. All I need to do is to click on verify. So once I verify that I'm not a robot, all I need to do is to click on sign up. So once I click on sign up, it's going to tell me to go and verify my email, that a verification link has been sent. So all I need to do is to click on that link and verify. So let me go ahead to verify. So right here, this is my email account. This is the email sent to me. So all I need to do is I'll copy this link. So all I need to do is to click on confirm email right here, but I'm not confirming email right here. I will just copy this link. If the button doesn't work, just copy the link. Let me come back to my browser. Then I'll paste the link copied here. So once I paste the link there, it is going to load. So you can see your account has been successfully verified. Please check your token balance below. So right here, guys, this is 25,000 Kitty coins. So another thing you can do to earn is you can earn using the Telegram bot. So once you click on this, the Telegram bot is going to give you it's going to open the Telegram app, and you are going to join a bot where you'll be given some tasks to perform. So once you perform those tasks, you would be awarded this particular kitten coin. So before you do that, before you can withdraw, you need to set up your wallet address. So what you need to set up your wallet address is a compatible wallet, and the compatible wallet working for this particular coin is Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet. So for this, you may need to use the Phantom extension on your laptop. The Phantom extension on your laptop. So if I click on set wallet address, you can see the error message given. So I'll need to set up. So there's a video that explains how you can set up this particular Phantom wallet. There's a video tutorial on that. So let's go here. You can see before submitting a KittyCoin withdrawal, this is if you want to withdraw, you have to download a compatible KittyCoin wallet and you have to follow them on social media. So what you need to do is to go ahead to follow them on Twitter, YouTube, and on Facebook. So right here, if you scroll down again, you see how to claim additional free token. Follow them on social media, then invite your friend. So if you invite someone, as you are joining this particular airdrop through my link, I will be given 20,000 and you will be given 25,000. But if you are inviting people, if you are inviting someone, they'll be giving you 20,000 of this coin, and the person that you invite will be getting 25,000 on this coin. So this is another way to earn. So if you want to buy, there's a video right here you can watch, and there's also a video right here you can use to set up your KittyCoin wallet. Then if you have any question, you can always ask the KittyCoin support. It's KittyCoin support. These are frequently asked questions. You can just scroll through this for your perusal. You can scroll through that for your perusal. So let me click on this. Let me click on this. Download. Okay, no, not this. Okay, let me just explain to you how to get the Phantom wallet. So all you need to do is to go to your PC, your laptop. You'll be needing a laptop for that. So once you go to your PC, all you need to do is to type this website. Let me go through the website. Type this website. Let me open a new page. So click on phantom.app. So on your PC, click on phantom.app. So once you click on phantom.app, it will bring you this particular page. To bring you a page where you can connect your wallet, phantom.app. So it's going to give you this particular page where you can add the extension. You can add the extension on your web browser. So let me switch to my camera so you can see what I'm talking about. Sorry. All right. So pardon my camera quality. So right here, you go to phantom.app on your camera. On your web browser, your laptop. So once you click on phantom.app, it will prompt you to add to Firefox. Let me use another browser so you can see. I want to show you the full guide on how to do this. So this is my Brave app. So I'm just going to enter the address Phantom. Please be careful with the spelling so that you won't get phished. Phantom.app. Then I go straight into that. So you can see all I need to do is to click on add to Chrome. So once I click on add to Chrome, it's going to download the extension and it's going to tell me to add this extension to my browser. So once I add it, I would create a new wallet. Once I create that particular new wallet, then I would have to copy the wallet address and send it to I will set it up on the particular KittyCoin website. So it's very simple and straightforward. You can try and watch the video on how to set up this particular Phantom wallet. You can watch the video. The video is on the website. So the website has loaded, the extension has loaded. So you can see right here, add to Brave. So it's going to check, then I click on add extension right there. So as I clicked on add extension, it's checking right here. Please forgive my camera quality. I'm recording on my Android phone. So once it completes its check, you are going to get a prompt. So right here, I have to click on create new wallet. So once I create a new wallet, I have to copy this particular seed phrase and save somewhere. So once I save it, I click on OK. I have saved it somewhere. Then I have to input a password. So let me input a password. I click on agree and I click on save. So you can see you can open Phantom at any time by using this particular ALT, alternate shift and P. But let me click on continue. So once I click on continue, I click on finish. So once I click on finish, it is already there. So I'll click on Control Shift and P on my tab right here. So once I click on Control Shift and P, it's going to open the extension, the Chrome extension. Another thing I can do is to come here, that extension, then click on Phantom. So once I click on Phantom, it's going to open right here. So once it opens right here, all I need to do is to copy this particular address at the top. This address at the top, you can see copied. So once I copy that particular address at the top, this particular address here, once you copy it, you can now send it to your you can now use it to set up your KittyCoin app withdrawal address. So let me go back to KittyCoin app withdrawal. I hope the website has not closed. Okay, so once I've done that, I can now come and set my wallet address here. I will just paste it here, then I set wallet address. So that's how to set wallet address for withdrawal on this particular website. So guys, I hope this has been helpful to you. Please quickly up on this opportunity as it may not last long. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.